Previous class we discussed grammar and vocabulary. Now, what can a dollar and 11 cents do lesson? Last page number 63, third Roman. Imagine that you attended a function last evening. While everybody was in a happy mood, suddenly a snake entered the function hall. Somehow the organizers managed to catch it and hand it over to the zoo authorities. Now narrate the incident to your friends. You may also narrate some other incidents you came across. Not only this incident. If you have seen any incident like this, you can narrate in the class. This all we will discuss when you come to school, children. Now page number 63, in that page, fourth Roman, say the following words aloud. Shock, shock, see, shake, shake, shame, shame, self, shed, ship, seat, sheet, shave, shell. These are the words of pronunciation starting with S and starting with SH. See, refer to a dictionary and say two more pairs of words with S and SH. S and SH, you have to frame two more pairs. Two more pairs means here, this is one pair, and two more pairs you have to write in your CW or rough notebook. Better to write in rough notebook. Project. Though Tess was a young girl and had a little money, she was able to save her brother. Collect a few success stories like that of Tess from magazine and newspapers. Talk about one of them in the class. Whatever success stories you have read and you have listened, any one success story, please come and speak in front of your class. Page number 63. Now page number 64. Page number 64, poem My Dependence, Rabindranath Tagore. My Dependent poem written by Rabindranath Tagore. See here, page number 64, last, the writer, about the writer. Rabindranath Tagore 1861 and 1941 was considered the greatest writer in modern Indian literature. American literature, black literature, many literatures are there in Telugu Sahitya. In modern Indian literature, he was most famous poet, not only poet and novelist and great educator also. Indian literature, a Bengali poet. He was a Bengali poet. And in AP, many poets are there. In Gurjat Apparao, these are all are great poets in AP. At the same time, in Bengal, Rabindranath Tagore, Bengal means present West Bengal. Rabindranath Tagore was called a great poet, novelist, educator, and Nobel laureate for literature in 1913. He got Nobel Prize also. Tagore was awarded a knighthood in 1915. He got a knighthood award in 1915. But he surrendered it in 1919. The protest against the massacre at Amritsar, Britishers, they shooted Indian people. That's why he his award to the British government in 1919. In 1915, they gave knighthood award. He had given that award to the British government 1919. 1919 protest against the massacre of Amritsar massacre. They shooted Indians. That's why he had given his award to the Britishers. In this poem, after you achieve goals, after you will get good job in your future, then you will know about your parents' value, your friends' value, and your relatives' value, your teachers' values. Maybe all of them will be in good position in their life, but at certain point of time, the employee, the student, the employee, the worker, whoever it may be, they would think that they want their parent, they want their best friend, they want their relatives, they want their neighborhood. This thought will come in future after they got children, after they got good job. If they are in other country, they think about their parents, friends, relatives, and all. This is one of the good poem among many poems he had written. Rabindranath Tagore had written, but this was very famous. My dependence. I like to be dependent, and so forever. He wanted to be dependent. Here the speaker is small boy. Small boy. He wanted to be dependent. He wanted to depend on their parents for everything, like a small kid. Now, if anybody is having small kid 9 years or 1 year, 2 years baby, people, mother and father take much care on that boy. Not only that boy, if the boy is studying 6th class, 7th class, 10th class, before marriage, their parents show much interest, love and affection towards their children. So I like to be dependent, and so forever, with warmth and care of my mother. My mother cares me a lot. She gives every support to me. If I want to go, I need my mother's help. If I want to do any work, I need my mother's support. My father to love, kiss and embrace, where life happily in all their grace. My father kisses me when he comes from job. He hugs me, and my life was very good. That life was very good to me than present life. Now nobody is hugging me. No father is there. No mother is there to teach me. So the boy thinks that I like childhood. I like to be dependent, and so forever. Even though I got married, even though I am in good position, even though I do good job, I need support. I need my father support and mother support, and I want their help. So for ever, many years till the end of the life, my parents' support is very essential to that boy. Parent support. At point of time you will realize that your parents should should have with you. I like to be dependent and so forever on my knith and kin, for they all sure harsh and warm advice, complaints, full wandering, true and info giants. I like to be dependent and so forever. I like to be dependent. I like to be dependent till the end of my life on my knith and kin, knith my friends and my relatives, for they all shows harsh and warm advice. Sometimes they give harsh advice, sometimes they give harsh and warm advices. Sometimes they warn me, don't do that. Sometimes they advise me not to go there. And advice, complaints, full wandering, true and info chain. They gave me good suggestions. Sometimes they have full information about that subject. Not only that subject, for everything they have given complaint. They have given suggestions to me. They advised me. They supported me. Sometimes that support may be harsh. That support may be rude. But I like my friends very much. They have full of information. Info giant means they have lot of information, true information. My friends were not cunning, they were good friends. Sometimes they advised me not to go some places. Sometimes they asked me to take the books, read the books, do the work. These are the things they told me. So I need my friends support. I wanted to be dependent. I don't want to be independent, because if I am independent, I have to give choices to myself. So I don't want to be independent. I wanted to be dependent. I want my parents. I want my friends. I want my relatives. In this stanza, he told about friends. I like to be dependent and so forever for my friends, chart and want me near with domestic, family and romantic tips, colleagues as well, guide me work at risk. I like to be dependent. I like to be dependent in every corner and every area. When I was small kid, my parents helped me. When I was studying, my friends helped me. When I was working, my friends helped me a lot. I like to be dependent and so forever. I like to be dependent. I don't want to be independent. For my friends, chart and want me near. I want my friends. I want to go near to my friends. They also come near to me. They talk to me and they want me near. They want me near. I want. They take me very near, and sometimes I also take them near to me, near with the domestic, my family members, my family, my relatives, my surrounding people, those who are living in my street or in my village, family and romantic tips, colleagues as well. My colleagues, they are giving some suggestions while doing the work. While if the work is difficult, they said to me, go in a easy way. If I am at risk, they helped me. If I am going in a wrong direction, they directed me a good direction. See, these are the things they helped me a lot. I like to be dependent and so forever for my neighbors to envy at times when at my rise of fortune like to hear my daily steps easy and hard things too. Here also he wanted to mention his neighbors, his relatives. He wanted to be dependent. And so forever, many years, how many years he will live, those days he wanted to be dependent. For my neighbors to envy at times when at my rise of fortune like to hear. Even though my life achievements, my if I achieve any goal, if I get any award, neighbors my neighbors feel very happy. They encourage me a lot. Fortune, fortune means here chances, chance or luck, my good luck. When I get anything by luck, they appreciated me, they loved me very much. My daily steps easy and hard things too. Sometimes my daily steps, sometimes if I go in a easy way, or if I go in a wrong direction, they advise me properly. They gave right direction to me. So I like my neighbors, friends and my parents. My parents. This is the poem My Dependence. My Dependence poem is very good poem among Rabindranath Tagore poems. Very special. See here. Page number 65. Page number 65. Be a poet. Try to complete the following poem with words that rhyme with each other. In page number 65, another poem is there. You see that poem, and last he didn't give rhyming words. Those words should be in rhyme. So I will write on the board those words which are missing in page number 65 poem. See here. I would love to live a life that's free. See here. He gave one clue word, that is F, free. I would love to live a life that's free. He wanted to live life, very free life. He wanted free life. Relax under a shady tree. He wanted to relax under a shady tree. The tree is covered full of branches, and fall into a dreamy sleep. That is, he wanted while he was taking rest. He wanted to while sleeping, he gets one dream with no strict hours to keep. There is no strict hours. Strict hours in the sense here, in school, if you stay here in the school, every teacher comes and goes, and they will tell you do this work, and without completing this work I won't let you out. These are the instructions given by the teachers. Here there is no instructions. You are alone. You are the boss. If at all you want to take rest, you can take rest. If at all you want to go, you can go. There is no boss to you. And sing a merry song. You wanted to sing a happy song. Untrodden paths as I walk along. Untrodden, the paths which no one walks on the way. You wanted to go to the such waves, such ways, paths, as I walk along. I wanted to walk along. You ask me that I would get to a treat. If I ask me what I would get to treat, fruits and nuts and berries, sweet. My in this um, fruits and nuts I will take as a my treat. I take my food. You ask me with whom I would get to a peace. If you ask me how can you get a peace, birds and animals happy and grace. These are the things will give happiness to me. If a woodcutter put a dash chop, if you woodcutter put a chop firmly, I would put a stop. If woodcutter put a chop, if he cuts the forest, I will ask him to stop not to cut the trees firmly. So that's the life I would like to lead, free from worries, free from greed. He wanted to free from worries, free from greediness. If at all you want to remove these all, you have to go to forest. You means you not. The elders, the person who had written this poem, whenever he got troubles, he went to forest and sits sometime under the tree and he thinks and imagine about the life of animals, life of fruits. Whenever he gets hungry, he takes the fruits and he eats those fruits. He sings songs and he sees valleys and rivers. So he could get relaxation. After that, he comes to home. He left those worries in the forest. He comes out of the forest as if he was a newborn child, as if he was a newborn child, and as if he was no worries and no greediness, no problems in his further life. That is the poem. This poem also very nice. See children, you can see the rhyming words: free, tree, sleep, keep, song, along, treat, sweet, peace, grace, chop, stop, lead, greed. These are the rhyming words in this poem. You better try a poem. The ending words should be meaningful, and they should be rhyming words. Last words should be rhyming. They should maintain rhyming like this in the poem. See children, say the following sentence as fast as you can. Do it as a paid activity. Seashells by the seashore. Seashells by the seashore. Next, ice cream, you scream, all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, all scream for ice cream. Next, read, sing and enjoy. This is read or sing. There was a young man of Niger who went for a ride on a tiger. They returned from their ride with the man inside and a smile on the face of the tiger. Once again, there was a young man of Niger who went to a ride on a tiger. They returned from their ride with the man inside and a smile on the face of the tiger. This is poem. Nicer tiger ride inside tiger lost ending words see here. Tiger ride words you can see tiger. This is not a poem. This is for enjoyment. We had given this is for enjoyment. Next, see checkpoint. I was able to read the main reading text. If you could read this main reading text by yourself, you tick that. Otherwise, if you take your friend help or teacher help, you tick in that column. Next, last one, you see I was able to answer the questions under the poem. If you could answer the these all questions, you keep tick mark on my own with friends help. If you have taken friends help, you tick there. If your teacher helps you, you tick. Remaining all also same. You tick and do yourself. This is the FA2 portion, children. Any doubt in revision class, I will explain again. 2 lessons and 1 poem. Read thoroughly, and if at all any doubt, you call me. I will answer those doubts. Thank you. Have a nice day.